In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, all praise be to Allah Almighty, the Lord of all the worlds, the beneficent and merciful. I am very thankful to you. Have you given me an excellent chance to deliver a speech on this topic, the role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar in the stability of the state of Medina. It is the personality of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar, his role in the stability and development of the state of Medina can be estimated only after Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Persecution and injustice can be planted in the shortest time of 9 months, only destroyed by the Siddiq Akbar radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Mr. President, even those with strong nerves and strong wills had their hearts and mind uncontrolled. Then Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar in Safiya Bani Saida said that the source of this power is the Allah. It is the first step toward the stability of the state of Medina. The role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar in the stability and development of the state of Medina is clear as day. To find the way in the fire of emotions and to make parties agree by stopping killing and revenge action. This is the not role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar and the stability of the state of Medina. Then what is this? Honorable President, to keep the Mohammedan system in order and to openly answer the conspiracies of Jews, Christian hypocrites and apostates. If it is the not role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar and the stability of the state of Medina, then what is this? To strengthen the economic and financial system of the religion and to wage jihad with full strength and manhood against disbeliever of Sarkar. The idea is go to the 6 legs in the caliphate of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar and wage jihad with full strength, conquest of most area of Iran and Syria, establishment of Siddiqui authority and army. This is the not role of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar and the stability of the state of Medina.